Hello and welcome to Unacademy's YouTube channel, Let's Crack UPSC CSC in English. And my name is Rahul Bhardwaj, guys. And today, as you all know, that UPSC has actually declared the final result, and everybody is surprised because nobody was expecting the result so soon, especially because of this COVID-19 situation. But the final results are out, and this is the thing here. Total 829 candidates have been recommended for the final appointment, and out of those 829, 304 are from the general candidate, and 38 from economic weaker section, 251 from OBC, and 129 and 67 from SC and ST respectively. So total 829 candidates have been recommended for appointment by the UPSC. This is the result of Civil Service Examination 2019. As far as the service allocation is concerned, so total number of IAS for this year are 180, okay, 180, and 150 IPS are there. As far as IFS, foreign service is concerned, 24 IFS has been there. Central Service Group A, as far as Central Service Group A is concerned, total number of candidates recommended for Central Service Group A services are 438 and Group B 135. So as far as the list of the toppers is concerned, so Pradeep Singh has actually topped Civil Service Examination 2019. Pradeep Singh is the topper for 2019 examination, and this is the list of the top 30 candidates, guys. Okay, top 30. So first of all, from the part of Unacademy, the team Unacademy congratulates all of these candidates who were made to the final list, all of those candidates, and we wish all these candidates best luck for their future endeavors. At the same time, so many candidates, so many successful candidates are from the Unacademy, so we are still trying to get in touch with them, especially rank 20. As far as rank 20 is concerned, Neha Banerjee, she has been on the Unacademy platform. So similarly, so many toppers are there. This is the list of top 30, and so congratulations again to all, especially and all those candidates or the aspirants who are not able to make to the final list. So there is no need to be discouraged, guys. Okay, there is no need to be discouraged. That it is said that if you learn from the defeat, you have not really lost. Okay, so definitely this is a time of self introspection, that what went actually wrong, and you can definitely work on your weaknesses and build on your strengths. So this is the time. Though it is very hard to motivate yourself, but if you want yourself to be in the list, okay, then you will have to motivate yourself on the regular basis, because success is not final, as it is said. Success is not final and failure is not fatal. What matters most is that the courage to continue. Okay, the courage to continue, that makes you successful. And so you will have to muster your courage to continue to fight and continue to prepare. So build on your strength and improve on your weaknesses. So this is the time, guys. So no need to be discouraged, especially those who have not been able to make to the final list, especially YAF, or if you are not able to make or if you got eliminated during the previous stages of the examination. So you should be continuing your learning. This is the thing. You should be having that commitment. Especially this is the time of COVID-19. So definitely you will be facing some difficulties. So Unacademy is there to help you out regarding this. So we have Unacademy, the India's largest learning platform, are here to help you out as far as your UPSC IAS preparation is concerned. Unacademy, which is India's largest learning platform. We are the largest learning platform. Why? Because we provide the choices. Okay, the quality is there. India's top 80 plus educators are available on the Unacademy. Okay, you will find top 80 educators in the UPSC CSC category on the one platform, that is Unacademy. You will be having the daily live classes here, very highly structured and highly organized courses, unlimited access to these live classes, unlimited mock test, live test. So you can definitely opt the Unacademy for your 1 point solution, definitely. And top educators are there. Choices are available. For example, if you want to follow one subject and you are opting for different kinds of courses, for example, you want to complete the NCRT, you may opt for one course. If you want to complete the standard book, you have so many courses, so many options are there, so you can follow the choice of your course. Along with the optional are there. Popular optionals are available on the Unacademy. Definitely all the batches are there in the English medium, where the content and the lectures are provided in English, bilingual, etc. All these things are included only in one subscription, so you can go for this subscription, guys. And this is the code for you, RB Live. You can apply this code, your amount will reduce by 10%. Similar thing is there. So the students who are preparing for 2021 or 2022, they should go for this 2-year subscription, and this is the code for you. The link will be found in the description box. You will have to choose the 1-year or 2-year subscription plan, and you need to apply this code. So any kind of query, you can definitely call at this number. Apart from this, you have this iconic subscription package in which the personalized feedback will be given. You will be assigned a personal mentor, personal coach, who will guide you throughout your preparation. For example, daily, if you are practicing daily answer writing, personalized feedback will be given on the daily basis. So you can opt for these courses, which are exclusively available on the Unacademy application on the 1 and 2-year subscription. So all of you, again, those who have made to the final list, congratulations again. And who are not able to make to the final list, no need to be discouraged, guys. So because success is not final, what matters most is your commitment, okay, is your courage to continue. So all of you, all the very best, and God bless you all.